think, guys?
The field's fine, but I don't think the cave people are wild about being
The princess.
especially when all they have to do when they're hungry is reach out and grab some
Toasted.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. Good idea. Yeah.
Mario, if Luigi thinks that he can teach the cave people farming, cave people, let him try.
Sure, they're gonna love it. Right, guys? Right. First, we learn how to plow.
The princess.
Oh, do I have to go to bed so soon?
Well, like they say in Brooklyn, early to bed, early to catch the worm. Bagel. Or is it the bagel?
Toasted.
Call it football. I'm not sure.
Mama?